Hello and welcome to this English lesson for beginners. Today, we will be learning about family members and relationships. Firstly, we have spouse. Spouse, a wife or husband, considered in relation to their partner. Wife. A wife is a female in a marital relationship to his spouse. Husband. Husband, a married man considered in relation to his spouse. Parents. We have mother. Your mother is the woman who gave birth to you. In English, we often use mom or mum as a shortened form of mother. We have father. Your father is the man who helped bring you into the world. In English, we often use dad or daddy as a shortened form of father. Son. Son, a boy in relation to either or both of his parents. Daughter. Daughter, a girl in relation to either or both of his parents. Siblings. A sibling is your brother or sister. Your sister is a girl or woman who has the same parents as you. If you have more than one sister, you can use older sister or younger sister to specify their age. Brother. Your brother is a boy or man who has the same parents as you. If you have more than one brother, you can use older brother or younger brother to specify their age. Relatives, a person connected by blood or marriage. We have uncle and aunt. Aunt is the sister of one's father or mother. If your father has a sister, she is your aunt. Uncle is the brother of one's father or mother. If your mother has a brother, he is your uncle. We have cousins. Your cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle. Next, we have grandparents. Grandmother and grandfather. These are your parents' parents. Grandmother, the mother of your father or mother. We often use grandma or granny as a shortened form of grandmother. Grandfather, the father of your father or mother. We often use grandpa or granddad as a shortened form of grandfather. Grandchild, a child of son or daughter. Here is the chart indicate family members and relationships. That's all for today's lesson on family members. Now it's your turn to practice. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.